Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and display context. Open settings and go to power or displays immediately. You need to know if you're on battery or AC because profiles change behavior. Once done, identify the active panel, internal EDP versus external HDMI. Make sure night light is off for testing so color shifts don't confuse brightness. If the slider exists, drag it and observe changes. If nothing moves, keep this window open and proceed to the next steps for manual control tools. You'll now switch to a terminal to gain precise control and understand why. Run xrandr verbose to list outputs and current brightness. Once you see the active name like EDP1, set a trial value. Xrandr output EDP1 brightness 0. 7 to test 70%. This adjusts pixel gamma rather than hardware. If you need hardware level change, use sudo t on /sys/class/backlight/driver/brightness or install brightnesstal for user-friendly persistent control and explained permission handling. Finish by making your chosen method survive reboots. Create a small auto-start script or a systemd service that runs xrandr or brightnesstal at login. Make sure file permissions are correct when writing to /sys/class/backlight and explain why. Kernel drivers mediate hardware access. If sliders are missing, reinstall GNOME settings daemon, update graphics drivers, or test on a live USB to isolate config issues. If all else fails, try updating the kernel or switching to the vendor's GPU driver, and then retest brightness controls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.